All right, guys, what is going on? I don't know what's going on here. In this video, I'm going to cover the side lunge. I'm going to hold one kettlebell down, so a kettlebell alternating side lunge. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to do it first. What you're going to want to do is get your feet about shoulder width apart, hips facing forward, okay? That'll be a big thing, hips facing forward, okay? So from here, you just hold the kettlebell right down, try to squeeze your core, okay? Squeeze your armpits as well, right? If you have an orange between there, squeeze your armpits, okay? So squeeze your armpits. From there, what you're gonna wanna do is take a step. Don't do anything else. Take a step. From there, I'm gonna show you a side view actually. Take a step. From there, think about your hips are going back and then your knees are bending, okay? So I'm gonna show you with the kettlebell one more time. So right here, push your hips back and bend, okay? One big thing I see is people are trying to lean forward, they're trying to bend both legs. One more time from the side so you can see my hip view. Think somebody has a rope around your hips, okay? If you step out, rope around your hips, pushing your hips back as you bend that leg, okay? I'll show you from the front. Kettlebell's down, taking a step, bend. Now I'm gonna stop right here because look at my hip position. It's still facing you, it's still facing the camera. I'm not here and I'm not there, okay? If your hips start square, you wanna finish with your hips square, no dumping, okay? Most people try to dump this hip out to the side. Keep this hip facing forward as you bend into your side lunge, okay? One next thing, once you do this, when you take this step, push the leg that goes straight. Push this foot into the ground as hard as you can. So think about pushing your foot through the ground. Once you do that, you should feel this inner thigh working, okay? You should feel this light up. And then when you come back up, keep pushing that foot into the ground so this will pull you back to neutral. Okay, so one more time, if you're there, push this foot into the ground, feel this inner thigh, push you up back to neutral, okay? And then same thing on the other side, if we're going to the right side. Start about shoulder width apart, hips facing forward, core braced. Step, push the hips back, push this foot into the ground, bend, right back up. Bend, right back up, okay? Side view. So again, side view. So again, step, hips go back, and then bend this leg. Keep pushing that butt back. Don't over, right? But I'd rather you go back more than forward, okay? So I'd rather you go back, again, pushing the leg that goes straight, pushing this leg into the ground, keeping your hips square, back, bend, right back up to neutral. Guys, that was the kettlebell side lunge. Again, you can hold it here, you can hold it at goblet, you can hold it wherever you want, but the main thing is for these side lunges, whether you do kettlebell, dumbbell, barbell, whatever, make sure your hips remain facing forward. Don't dump them out to the side. You're gonna miss the whole movement. Make sure your hips face forward, push your hips back, push this leg into the ground, feel your inner thigh. That's what you should be feeling, your inner thigh right here, okay? And then pull back up to neutral. Guys, thank you so much.